Hello, I'm Scott Brown and welcome to Green Wind and Other Home Energies. This right here is the bottom of a tuna fish can. This is the top off a gas hot water heater. That's a piece of copper pipe. That right there is a tea light candle lid and the paint sticks. What does this have in common? Tensioner pulley off a Ford pickup truck. The diaphragm to a vacuum advance distributor system. A rubber band coat hanger. A tin can, another tin can, and an aerosol can for spray butter. Non-stick. Looks like the top of that got hot. Anyway, well, to show you what all this junk out of the trash can is for, we'll just let you know now. Right here, as I'm heating up the side of this, we just lit about 1/8 inch worth of alcohol sitting in the bottom of this. And that's going to heat up the top of this aerosol can. And while it's doing that, inside this aerosol can is another can about that much shorter and maybe about that much thinner. This down here goes up and down and moves the one inside. Now when the air goes to the top of the can, it expands and pushes this diaphragm out. When the can inside goes up, it puts the air down here at the cool side and it contracts and sucks the diaphragm in. So it's actually a dual action piston. This is called a STEERLING engine. This is one I built a little while back. Let me turn the flame to where the flame actually heats up the right spot here. There we go. Now we got it started. She might make a little noise. We're used to that on this one. Pretty impressive what you can do with a whole bunch of junk and a little bit of epoxy. I think that's got a little wind on it and blowing a little high. You might have to blow it out here in a second. As you can tell, it doesn't really make all that much noise. The camera is closer to the unit than it is to me. This one is built upside down compared to what most people build theirs. That would make the cold end warm a lot faster, so I figured I'd put the cold end at the bottom and leave the heat at the top. That looks like about 6 beats per second, 6 times 60. That's about 360 RPM it's going right now. Closer to 5 beats per second. So closer to about 300 RPM. I have had it up around 400 and 500, but she starts knocking real bad and making a lot of noise. Well, there goes the heat. The flame is out now. I told you I didn't put much up in it. Never do. And she'll stay running here for a minute. This is hinged right there. The rubber band is actually sitting there to help keep or counterpoise the weight that's inside the compression chamber. The can inside the first can is called the displacer because it displaces air from one end to the other. It's about 75 RPM there. Now it's about 60. Still running on stored heat. And I can put water in that can right there, or some ice, and make it run a lot faster and more efficient. But yeah, we just wanted to show you with the straight heat. Right now it's still trying. You see, if I go like this, it still wants to keep going. If I go like this, it tries to go the other way. You usually have to give them a little push start to get them going. See, that stored heat is still trying to do work. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm Scott Brown with Green Wind and Other Home Energies.